Hello everyone, welcome back to Financialistic, where we talk about all things finance, business, and making money work for you. If you're in Nigeria and looking for extra ways to boost your income, this video is for you. Today we are discussing about some of the best side hustles that can double your income. Yes, double. But you need to put in the work and know the right strategies. So grab a pen and let's get started. The first side hustle is e-commerce. With e-commerce, you don't need a physical shop or a huge investment to start. You can leverage platforms like Instagram, Jumia, Konga, and even WhatsApp as your marketplace. Start by identifying high demand products like fashion items, cosmetics, gadgets, or even unique local items. Here's a breakdown of strategies to get started and succeed. Choose a niche product. Look for specific category with high demand but low competition. It could be anything from organic skincare products to trendy fashion accessories. Use drop shipping or order fulfillment. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without holding stock. Alternatively, order fulfillment means taking orders and purchasing products only once payment is received. Invest in presentation. Quality product photos and good packaging. Spend time making your product listings attractive. A well-presented product can be the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. Engage with customers. Build rapport by responding to customer comments, providing excellent customer service, and offering occasional promotions. For example, if you decide to sell jewelry, focus on creating visually appealing social media posts, sharing customer testimonials, and offering limited time discounts. These tactics will help you attract a loyal customer base and stand out in a competitive market. Next up is freelancing. With skills like graphic design, content writing, social media management, and video editing, you can connect with clients globally and earn good money. The internet has made freelancing more accessible, and Nigerian freelancers are excelling on platforms like Viva, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Here's how to maximize your freelancing side hustle. Choose a high demand skill. Focus on services that are currently trending like social media management or video editing. If you're unsure where to start, check what's in demand on freelancing platforms. Build an impressive portfolio. If you are new, offer a free or discounted services to build your portfolio and collect testimonials. Set competitive rates. Don't underprice yourself but be competitive, especially when starting. Look at rates for similar services and find a middle ground. Take advantage of free learning resources. Platforms like YouTube and Udemy offer countless resources for learning new skills. Aim to learn a skill that complements your main skill, like search engine optimization if you're a content writer. For example, let's say you choose to freelance as a graphic designer. Create a portfolio website or an Instagram page showcasing your work. Reach out to small businesses to offer your services. Once you gain experience, you can increase your rates and gain a steady stream of clients. So number three side hustle is tutoring and online coaching. If you are skilled in a subject or hobby, whether it's academic subjects like maths and English or skills like coding and music, people are willing to pay to learn. This can be a high-paying hustle, especially if you offer one-on-one sections or create packaged courses. Target a specific audience. Decide whether you want to teach kids or university students or even adults. Tailor your services accordingly. Utilize online platforms. Sites like Preply and VIP Kid can connect you with students internationally, while platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram are useful for local sections. So create customizable packages. Offer different pricing packages depending on your section length and group size, like individual versus group lessons. Expand offline. If online teaching isn't your thing, offer home tutoring services, especially during exam seasons. Parents are willing to invest in quality home tutoring for their children. For example, if you are good in maths, start by offering trial lessons to build trust. Then create a weekly package for your students and increase the rates as your demand grows. You could even offer crash courses for exams, which are often high in demand. So number four side hustle is blogging and affiliate marketing. Blogging and affiliate marketing are excellent ways to monetize your expertise. While it takes time to grow a blog, marketing can significantly boost your income. Here's how to approach this side hustle. Choose a niche that interests you. Pick a topic you are passionate about, like travel, fashion, or personal finance. You'll be able to create more authentic and valuable content. Post consistently. Regular content keeps readers engaged and increases traffic, which is crucial for ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Leverage search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is key to driving organic traffic to your blog. Learning search engine optimization basics can help you rank higher in search results. Join affiliate programs. Platforms like Jumia and Konga offer affiliate programs. You earn a commission every time someone purchases through your referral link. As your traffic grows, so does your affiliate income. So if you decide to blog about health and fitness, write in-depth reviews on workout equipment or nutritional products using affiliate links within your articles. As your audience trusts your recommendations, you will earn commissions on each product they buy through your links. Number five side hustle is food and beverage business. In Nigeria, food is always a hot business. Food and beverage is one of the easiest side hustles to start if you enjoy cooking or baking. From home cooked meals to pastries and smoothies. Here's how to make your food business a success. Choose a popular and in-demand food. Focus on items with consistent demand like small chops, moi moi, or fresh juices. Market locally. Use platforms like WhatsApp groups, Instagram, and Facebook to promote your business to local customers. Prioritize quality and hygiene. Food businesses thrive on trust and word of mouth. Prioritize cleanliness and use fresh ingredients to gain loyal customers. Expand through events. Offer catering services for small events, which can help spread your brand's reputation. Events are also a great opportunity for networking. For example, suppose you start a small chops business, partner with local event planners and use social media to showcase your platters. Within a few months, your referrals could bring in more orders than you anticipated. Number six is digital content creation. With the rise of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, digital content creation has become a lucrative side hustle. It's a great way to earn through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Pick a niche you enjoy. Focus on a topic you are passionate about, like finance, beauty, or tech. Consistency is key. Regular uploads keeps your audience engaged and help you grow faster on social media platforms. Learn basic editing and lighting. Good visuals can set you apart from other creators. Invest time in learning editing techniques and you don't need fancy equipment. A smartphone with a good camera can work wonders. Monetize through multiple avenues. Aside from ad revenue, look into brand sponsorships, affiliate links, and merchandise once you've grown your following. For example, if you create a finance related content on TikTok, use simple visually appealing graphics and post daily tips on budgeting. As your audience grows, brands in finance might approach you for sponsored content. Number seven is ride hailing and logistics services. If you own a car or motorcycle, ride-hailing and logistics services are fantastic options. You can partner with companies like Bolt or Uber to earn extra income with flexible hours. Here's how to succeed in this space. Focus on peak hours. Make more by driving during peak times when demand and rates are higher. Consider logistics services. With e-commerce growing in Nigeria, there's a big demand for package delivery. Offer to deliver items for online vendors, which can be a regular gig. Build trust. In logistics, reliable and timely delivery is key to gaining repeat customers. Be consistent and communicate with customers. If you offer delivery services for small businesses, as you build a reputation for being reliable, those businesses will likely refer you to others. which can expand your client base. Number 8 side hustle is property management. You might think real estate requires huge capital, but that's not always true. Real estate and property management have numerous entry points, from consulting to managing short-term rentals. Here's how to break into real estate. Start with rental management. Offer to manage properties for landlords, which could include everything from collecting rent to maintenance. List extra space or Airbnb. If you have a spare room, consider renting it out short term. It's a passive income stream with minimal upkeep. Offer real estate consulting. Help people find homes or rental properties. You can charge a fee or earn a commission for successful deals. If you start as a rental property manager, you could expand into helping people find short-term rentals on Airbnb. As you build experience, this side hustle could even lead to a full-time property management business. Number 9 side hustle is mobile phone repair and accessories sales. With smartphones in everyone's pockets, mobile phone repair and accessories sales is a lucrative side hustle. Learn basic phone repair skills, take online courses, or watch YouTube tutorials. Start with affordable repair tools. Market on social media, use Instagram and WhatsApp to reach customers. Post before and after photos of your repairs to showcase your skills. Sell accessories as an add-on service. Stock items like chargers and cases, which are always in demand, and boost your profits. So if you could start by offering repairs and expanding to sell accessories, as you build your skills, consider offering home repair visits for an additional fee. And finally, social media management is a high value service in Nigeria. Small businesses are always looking for people to help grow their online presence. Here's how to succeed. Offer basic packages. Start with an affordable package for Instagram or Facebook posting, and expand to advanced services like analytics and ad management. Showcase your results. Collect data on growth, engagement, and feedback to showcase your impact. Expand with referrals. If a client is happy, they are likely to recommend you to other businesses, which can quickly grow your client base. So if you start by managing one small business's Instagram, then approach others with data that shows how your services drive growth and engagement. And that wraps up our list of the best side hustles in Nigeria that can double your income. Starting a side hustle takes time, effort, and consistency. But with persistence, you can build a steady income stream. Let me know in the comments which side hustle caught your interest the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more content just like this. Thanks for watching.